everybody, it's Neil and I am in the bathroom and I have a shower filter combo. So we're gonna check this thing out. If you look at the shower head here, it sucks. Actually the whole faucet sucks too, but I didn't get one of those, I got a shower head. So we're gonna try this thing out and see how it works. Let's open it up and see what it looks like first. Let's see how we do here. Open it. How's it open? This way. So let's see what we got here in the box. So we have some foam. We have some instructions on how to install a shower head. We have the filter mechanism. We have some Teflon tape. And a nice little baggie. Here we have the shower head, I'm guessing. Let's see how it looks. Very nice, shiny, nice. Ooh, look at that. Oh man, that compared to that. Oh yeah. Oh heck yeah. And that's up so high, I can even get one of these things on here and I can put this, which is the filter thingy on it. So I can get nice filtered, nice good clean water on my body. So let's try replacing this here. So let's see how this is gonna go. It's gonna need a little washer in here. Comes with the washer there. And I'm guessing the washer is gonna be for the other side too. Or maybe two washers. Let's see what it says. It doesn't really say. But let's take off the other one as long as we can. There we go. Easiest thing ever, taking that off. Okay, and then I will put this one on and then this on. I wonder, looks like it's got a gasket. I'm only gonna use one of these washers. I don't know why I stuck two in there. Okay, let's try it. Okay, I'm gonna step aside. I'll aim it that way. Let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. And clearly, I didn't get it very tight. Oh. Try this again. Much better. There we go. There we have that kind of stream, or, oh yeah, that's gonna be a lot of water. That's gonna be the best shower. And it works, super easy. Okay. And there we go, and I'm gonna say, that was easy to put on, I just didn't have it tight enough, that's why it leaked a little. And I'm gonna save this thing, this little dinky one, so when I do move out of here, I can put it back. But that's it. And I didn't even have to use the Teflon tape, it just worked without that. And there was already some on there, so definitely a thumbs up from me. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.